If you're part of an acquisitions team, do you think you want your contact information to be easy to find for brokers and other deal referral sources, or hard to find? I think you want to be easy to find. If you want deals to come to you, make it easy for brokers and others to find you, contact you, and show you their opportunities. Stick around, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into this. Let's go! Unfortunately, there are way too many investment firms that are losing out on tons of deals because those on the team that are responsible for procuring deals are ghosts on the internet. You can't find any contact information anywhere on the web for the person responsible for procuring more deals. We were recently updating several names of investors in our CRM database because some people change jobs, they move positions, so we have to learn who the new acquisition people are for various firms. We go to investment firms' websites and we find the new acquisition people, and there's no phone numbers, no email addresses. We Google their names and titles and look at various links all over the place. No numbers, no email addresses. Several firms didn't even have a phone number at all to the main company, let alone the person in charge of procuring deals. Instead, on their contact link, it would just be a fillable form where you can send an email to info@ whatever the company is. Then for the several companies that did have a phone number to the company, there was voice prompts that were awful to deal with. And when you finally got to the person you were trying to reach, it went to a voicemail for the company voicemail. It doesn't even direct you to their cell phone number. Listen, if brokers and other outside sources broker the vast majority of all deals that come for sale, you want to be the easiest human being on the face of the planet to reach and show opportunities to. You should be trying to increase the number of calls and emails you get, not decrease. You're trying to be more known, not less known. Remember, investors, you are salespeople. You are involved in the most competitive environment in the world of buying multifamily assets. You are not a CIA agent who's trying to remain undercover. And it's not just brokers contacting acquisitions personnel. There's appraisers and lenders and attorneys who know of deals that are coming for sale, other companies, etc. Does being super easy to reach increase the number of time-wasting calls and emails you may get that do not procure other deals? Yeah, sure. As a multifamily broker, I get hundreds of calls a week from investors wanting to buy more deals. Those calls are often a waste of time for me initially, but I take them anyway and I nurture those calls because in the future, those could be deals or people that I work with. The more touch points I have with those in the business, the more likely I am to be able to do more deals. But let me put things in perspective, investors. If over a 5-year period, you took an extra 1,000 unnecessary calls and emails to find the one person who did bring you a deal that made you 6, 7, or 8 figures over a long period of time, was it worth having your contact information out there for everybody to find? I would think yes. And that's just an extreme example. The likelihood is you're going to do a hell of a lot more than one deal as a result of being easy to reach. At minimum, I would have your phone number, email address, and all of your social media handles on your company website for people to find you. Hell, if I had social media accounts and I was an acquisitions guy, I would have my background photo saying something like, if you have in multifamily investments to buy, here's how to contact me. Here's my business page on Facebook with my website, YouTube, and contact information in the background picture, as well as the common area where you can list that similar contact information right here. Here's my LinkedIn page with contact information here in the background picture, as well as in the contact section. Here's my business website, where on the bottom of every single page is my contact information, as well as a contact us page that has cell phone, email, and social media handles. In addition to just those few sites, I'm part of other social media platforms and other multifamily groups and other organizations where my contact information is everywhere. And here's the crazy thing. I only compete against 40 or 50 multifamily brokers in the entire world for the markets that I work in. You, as the multifamily investor, are competing against tens of thousands of people from all over the world for the same very few number of assets. Just by being super easy to reach could earn you one or two more deals over a 5, 10, let's say 20-year period that your peers may not have, just because people could find you. I hope this video brought you some value, and if it did, hit a like and subscribe button for me down below, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that my videos come right to your inbox once a week. See you guys on the next one. Why can I not get that? What the hell? No, I don't want to go there. No. First fault. Nope.